In today's tech-centric world, learning digital marketing is crucial for career advancement. As businesses increasingly focus online, mastering digital marketing enhances your value to companies globally, unlocking a wide range of opportunities. Let's delve into why digital marketing is a smart career move. Digital marketing is in high demand across all industries, from tech startups to multinational giants. With businesses migrating online, there's a surge in demand for digital marketing expertise. By acquiring these skills, you become a strong candidate in a booming job market, offering numerous opportunities worldwide. Digital marketing offers diverse career paths, including content creation, SEO, social media management, and data analytics. This variety lets you specialize according to your strengths and interests, whether you're creative, analytical, or tech-savvy, leading to roles like social media manager or content strategist. The field of digital marketing boasts high earning potential. Due to the demand for skilled professionals, salaries are competitive and increase with experience and specialization. Advanced roles like digital marketing manager or director offer even greater financial rewards, making it a lucrative career choice. Digital marketing provides flexibility and freelancing opportunities. Many roles allow for remote work, promoting a balanced lifestyle. Additionally, these skills are highly sought after in the freelance market, enabling you to work independently or as a consultant, gaining diverse experience across industries. For entrepreneurs, digital marketing is invaluable. Whether building a business or personal brand, these skills help connect with audiences, drive traffic, and generate leads. By mastering digital marketing, you can effectively promote your venture without relying solely on external agencies or consultants. Digital marketing skills offer enhanced career stability, especially in uncertain times. As digital communication and e-commerce trends continue, job opportunities for digital marketers remain strong across sectors such as retail, finance, and healthcare, providing valuable job security in a changing market. This field is constantly evolving, offering growth opportunities. If you thrive on learning and adaptation, digital marketing is dynamic and exciting. From new platforms to advancements in AI, the industry is filled with chances to learn, grow, and stay ahead in a rapidly changing landscape. Working in digital marketing improves both analytical and creative skills. Balancing creativity with data-driven strategies, you develop a well-rounded and versatile skill set. This blend of skills is not only valuable in marketing, but also enhances capabilities across various business areas. Digital marketing professionals have a significant impact on business success by boosting brand visibility and customer engagement. This role offers a rewarding sense of purpose as your strategies drive measurable results, increasing sales and loyalty, and contributing directly to company growth. Digital marketing prepares you for a global career. It's a universally valuable skill, opening doors to international work opportunities. As you gain experience, you might collaborate with clients worldwide, gaining cross-cultural insights and potentially working or living abroad, making it a global career. In a world where an online presence is vital, digital marketing skills are essential for career growth. Whether enhancing job prospects, seeking flexibility, or launching a business, investing in digital marketing skills pays off, offering growth opportunities, high earnings potential, and impactful contributions. If you're ready to advance, consider joining our digital marketing program at the IELTS and IT Skills Center. We'll equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in this field, helping you build a rewarding career and capitalize on the exciting opportunities in digital marketing.